it's me, Marvel GID. Now I going to teach you how to make how to add sound effects like me. You check on this video.
Motorcycle.
Okay. You hear the rain sound? Yes. Okay. Now let's go and try it. Imagine if Imagine if I was going to make a wind animation. Now let's name this wind animation. Now wait first. I draw the wind. Wait first, guys. This is the tutorial, but wait first. I want to make the wind animation. Okay. Now for the wind animation, I want to make add some sound effects of wind.
When I first
First, you have to close FlipaClip. Yeah. Okay. Close FlipaClip and go to Google. Chrome will be your best option. Maybe Google maybe will the best. Okay, so I search in Google wind sound effect. Now you see in Pixabay. Also, I download the sound effects from Pixabay. Even the rain sound. Let's try it now. Let's try this. Winter wind? No, I'm not talking about winter wind. Okay. Wind gust. Maybe this is the perfect audio. Let's go. Okay. Now let's go back to FlipaClip. Now, go back to FlipaClip. Go back to my wind animation or your animation. Click add audio and wait the loading of TonTalk watch ads. Because this feature is locked. You need to watch ads or upgrade for FlipaClip. But you know I've know the best way to have sound effects. You can do anything while you use the audio recorder or with the add audio to add something. It's feature lock. I need to watch ads. Okay. Now you need to click the watch ads. Wait for the ads to finish. Okay, guys. Oh, wait first. Why it's not working? Never mind, guys. We close because mine is entering this ad and never get out. Okay, so let's let's do let's do this again. Okay, wait for that. Just wait. Okay, so watch ads.
Ramadan adalah momen
Wait,
berbagi.
this
Itulah sebabnya
and wait for the
menawarkan
ads to
lebih,
finish.
termasuk bonus deposit sampai 100%. Trading bisa menjadi cara untuk membahagiakan orang tersayang Anda. Trading di halal market eksis yang unik. Olim Trade kepedulian
You
yang
wait
berarti.
for
Ramadan
the
adalah
ads.
momen berbagi. Itulah sebabnya Olim Trade menawarkan lebih, termasuk bonus deposit sampai 100%. Trading bisa menjadi cara untuk membahagiakan orang tersayang Anda. Trading di halal
This.
market eksis yang unik. Olim Trade kepedulian yang berarti. Ramadan adalah momen berbagi.
What
Itulah
the?
sebabnya
Okay,
Olim Trade
I know.
menawarkan lebih, termasuk bonus deposit sampai 100%. Trading bisa menjadi cara untuk membahagiakan orang tersayang Anda. Trading di halal market eksis yang unik. Olim Trade kepedulian yang berarti. Ramadan adalah momen berbagi. Itulah sebabnya Olim
why the
Trade
ads
menawarkan
never
lebih,
stop?
termasuk bonus deposit sampai 100%. Trading
I
bisa
should
menjadi
not-
cara untuk membahagiakan orang tersayang Anda. Trading di
I
halal market
should
eksis yang
do
unik.
something.
Olim Trade kepedulian yang berarti. Ramadan adalah momen berbagi. Itulah sebabnya Olim Trade menawarkan lebih, termasuk bonus deposit sampai 100%. Trading bisa menjadi cara untuk membahagiakan orang tersayang Anda. Trading di halal market eksis yang unik. Olim Trade kepedulian yang berarti. Ramadan adalah momen berbagi. Itulah sebabnya Olim Trade menawarkan
Okay.
lebih,
How
termasuk
about
bonus deposit
Wait,
sampai
like-
100%. Trading bisa menjadi cara untuk membahagiakan
Why this
orang
ad is
tersayang
so-
Anda. Trading di halal market
so
eksis yang unik. Olim Trade kepedulian yang berarti.
long?
Ramadan adalah momen berbagi.
Come on.
Itulah sebabnya Olim Trade menawarkan lebih, termasuk bonus deposit sampai 100%. Trading bisa
What is
menjadi
this kind
cara
of
untuk
ad?
membahagiakan orang tersayang
What
Anda.
is this
Trading
kind of
di
ad?
halal market
Why
eksis
the
yang
ad is
unik.
so
Olim Trade
long?
kepedulian yang berarti. Ramadan adalah momen berbagi. Itulah sebabnya Olim Trade menawarkan lebih, termasuk bonus deposit sampai 100%. Trading bisa menjadi
Never
cara
mind,
untuk
guys. Sorry,
membahagiakan
guys. I
orang
just
tersayang
break-
Anda. Trading di halal
break
market
the-
eksis yang unik.
break
Olim
the
Trade
Lego
kepedulian yang
monument.
berarti.
Means the Lego. Okay, so never mind, guys. Olim Trade. I don't want to install that app. That app. Why the ads is so long? Oh, never mind, guys. Anyways, wait. Let's go to audio and pick the audio that you have downloaded, like the Dragon Studio Wingust that I downloaded. Nah, the sound looks better. If you want to set the times, you can pull this off. Do this, okay. Okay, right. Now, if you done set the audio, click add to Linimasa. Wait first for the loading, and then you have add the sound effects. But wait first, yeah, guys. This the way. Okay, guys, let's try this. Yeah, you guys, it's better to add sound effects to your animations in FlipaClip. See, this is me making sound effects. Don't forget, yeah. If you have to make sound effects because you know why I use that sound effects, because when I go to the pustaka audio library, the Flipperclip audio library. I find this, but I want to add it, but cannot add this. I cannot add this. Because of that, I chose to download any sounds from Pixabay. Also, guys, if you already if you guys already buy the Flipperclip, if you guys already use the Flipperclip Plus, then you don't need to do that. You just go to the audio library. Not like me. I'm hard to add the sound effects from the audio library. That's so hard. When I start going for, I go now go to Pixabay. So guys, you know you didn't understand how to make sound effects animation with sound effects like me. If you didn't know, then I end this video. So goodbye.